Hi y'all, it's Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting here in North Georgia, and I'm going to do another surprise card video. So these are some card kits I made here a while back, so I don't know what's in them. Should be everything I need to make a card. We'll make a masculine, a feminine, and a kid one. I might decide to add something else to it, but hopefully everything should be in there that I need except for glue. So we'll start with the masculine one. And I just put everything together and put it in an envelope. Alright, so alright, so I don't have a sentiment here. I always feel like I'm saying cinnamon. I'm not making cinnamon rolls. So I got a card base. Last one I did 3 cards in about 9 minutes with a little bit of chit chat. You know, I think this may actually be, yep, this is, this was in a kit with some notebooks, and you could actually like decorate the notebooks. So the whole thing was adhesive. Don't want to put it in the middle. It's too much pressure to put it in the middle because it has to be in the exact middle. Do I want to pop this up? Nah. Very simple. And so there's no sentiment. That this could go a lot of ways. This could be a birthday. This could be just a thinking of you, but something for a guy. Guy cards are hard sometimes. So stick my envelope in there and it's ready to go. All right, so moving up under 2 minutes, y'all. All right. This is like one I did in another video, like really same thing. So let's do another one. That was in my surprise cards number 2. So this has got an embellishment. So I made some embellishments, put them together, and then that was kind of my basics to putting cards together. This is the same kind of design though. So this one's double-sided, but okay. So, start gluing. So the one I pulled out a minute ago was like another one that I had done in a video. Do y'all ever make cards that are the exact same? I'm just wondering, you know, do you, or are all your cards different? So that'd be, you know, a nice comment to leave me. Alright, I'm not worried about that space in between because I have this piece and it is good and long. One of mine in the last video was a little short. I had to get creative, but we made it work. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut this off because some of it does have glue on it. Might mess up my Dollar Tree placemat that I use here to do most of my crafting. It's on top of my cutting mat, but I don't want to get glue on my cutting mat. So this works out good. And then I have this, and I could even turn it this way. I don't like it sideways. Can't really turn it very much. I can't really turn this very much sideways because it goes off the paper. Maybe like that, because this is pretty busy and this paper is pretty busy. I'm afraid it'll get lost if I put it down there. So I think I'm gonna put it up top. So this sticker here, this 3D sticker, it's already popped up, so I'm not gonna pop anything else up. It hangs off a little bit, but that's okay. It's actually a Dollar Tree sticker. So if you've not checked out the stickers at the Dollar Tree, you are missing out. All right, so there's my feminine card. And then the last one will be my kid card. All right, let's talk about it. So I have a piece of paper that I embossed this kind of pill shape. Confetti maybe. Looks like a bunch of pills on it. I think it's supposed to be confetti though. I like this tag. I got this tag in it was actually a paper stack, and the whole thing was tags and sentiments and cut aparts, and some of them punched out. This one actually punched out. I can see the little things there. And some you had to cut apart, but the whole thing was that, and it had some really cute ones like this. I think I'm gonna pop this one up. So pulling out my Dollar Tree. Whoops. All right, let's try that again. My Dollar Tree phone tape. This comes from the hardware section, not the craft section. I do have some of the little bitty ones from the craft section, but I use this more. And you get a big roll. Sometimes you actually get a bonus roll for $1.25 now. I stay stocked up on that. All right. There we go. So there's my kid card. That could be, you know, a good teenager card too. It's very generic also. Does not have to be birthday. Can just be a thinking about you card. So there's our kid one, our feminine one, and our masculine one. And we are at 6.5 minutes. So if you like this video, make sure you click the thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.